In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an FXPesa account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to fxpesa.com and you want to click on Start Trading at the very top right. And this will take you directly into the application to actually create your account on FXPesa. So this is going to look like this. You'll have to put in your contact details and then click Next. Then you're going to have to your personal info and then put that in and then click Next. And then you will have to go through this third step, which is the trading experience. Again, put in all the info that requires, and after you do that, you'll be able to create an account and you will get the access over here inside FXPesa. Okay, so if I sign in really quickly over here to my account and I press continue because my session just expired, there we go. This is what this is going to look like. So this is your account, and in here you can then also create trading accounts. Okay, so if you go to dashboard, you'll be able to see your live and your demo trading accounts. You can just click on create account, either a live or a demo one, and then you'll be able to create it so we can start trading with it. I'm going to go and create a demo account to show you how this is done. You will have to select your platform, your account type, which of course can be whatever you want. And then you will be able to select your currency. So as you can see, US dollar is selected for me, and then your portal password, which is the password you receive onto your email upon registration. And then you press submit, and then your trading account is going to be opened and listed here on your list of accounts. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.